Hey guys, I've got a fun pattern for you today that uses double half hitch knots and a berry knot at the end. Before we get started, I just wanted to say a quick thank you. One of my videos hit 100,000 views a couple of nights ago. Thanks so much for your support. Starting in the middle of your work, tie a double half hitch knot with the two center strands. These two pieces of rope will now become your filler cords. Tie 4 double half hitch knots on both sides of your work, moving down. The two current middle strands will now become your filler cords. Tie 4 more double half hitch knots on both sides of your work, moving down. Leave about ½ inch of space between your first row and your second row. We will create one more row of double half hitch knots. Repeat the same process as your second row. We will now create a berry knot in the middle. Using the outer cords, tie 6 half square knots around all other cords. Grab the inner cords and loop them through the middle of your work. Using the outer cords, tie 2 more half square knots, or 1 square knot, around the inner cords to secure your work in place. Thanks so much for watching. This is a great pattern to use as a front layer of your work, as you can keep repeating the pattern to make a really nice design. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.